We ordered 20 tires. We ordered 40 in total. The other 20 are going to be delivered to Ebisu tomorrow. Just pulled into the best place on earth, Ebisu Circuit. Let's check it out. Oh, baby. 20 tires just got dropped off here. I think that made a huge improvement to the way the car idles. Alrighty boys, we are back in Japan. Let me show you the hotel really fast. Yeah, here's like the entranceway basically. Here we have our little bathroom area. This is our tub. Here is like a little outside area. Got our little heater. I got my little workstation. 2 beds, TV, another heater over there. I love these doors. Over here, we have our actual toilet and stuff. And yeah, that is basically the full walk around of our little Japanese home for the next 10 days or so. Anyhow, I'm absolutely stoked to be back. We ordered 20 tires and the hotel actually took delivery of them for us today, which was super awesome of the hotel. So shout out to RB Hotel. We have 20 more tires on the way. So we ordered 40 in total. The other 20 are gonna be delivered to Ebisu tomorrow. Let's go pick up Micah and we have a surprise and I haven't seen the surprise.
Tomorrow.
Alrighty boys, good morning. Let me show you something cool. This is some of our tires. There is the rest of our tires and we're out of here. It is beautiful out. It's been raining all night. Beautiful place. Unfortunately, one of Micah's flights was delayed, so he missed it. We're gonna be picking him up in about an hour. But before we do that, I have to go to the racetrack and take delivery of my car. Just pulled into the best place on earth, Ebisu Circuit. Let's check it out. Oh, baby. All right, boys, here she is. The trusty steed, the 350Z, baby. Oh man, it's been so long since I've seen this thing. There's our totes. There's our North Course bump. Hell yeah. We are back, baby. And there is a roll cage in my car now, which is so sick. Nice. I'm gonna get this thing inside. All right, boys, we are at the airport and I have no idea where Micah is, but I know he's here. I know he touched down. I'm just waiting on him.
Years later.
Yo, yo. What is good, brother? Micah in Japan. Alrighty, boys. Micah and I are at the racetrack here at Ebisu and we have some tires. So 20 tires just got dropped off here. Super sick. Going through the tunnel of Data Higashi, trying not to scrape our mirrors. Let's check it out. So this is where Mike is storing the car. Oh, it is a 4-door with black wheels. Whoa. All right, Micah bought a Chaser. Micah bought a Chaser.
Which one is it now?
It's this one.
Is it?
It's this one. It's got black wheels. Oh shit, 3 of them have black wheels.
Which car is it, Steve?
Dude, it's the Chaser. Micah, tell me which car it is. So we have the Chaser, we have a 240, we have this Ford. You know what? Micah, you bought this. This is what you bought. This is your car? This is it, isn't it?
Something about a Falcon.
Dude, this is, yeah.
No, that's not it.
That's not it? This is it? Holy shit, dude.
This is it.
Super sick. Look at the interior. It's not bad. Is there a quarter panel on the other side?
Yeah.
Maybe we start with the keys, try to like open the doors, turn it on. Battery tender it is. All right, let's see. It says it's ready, Micah. Woo! Not bad, dude. Not bad. All right, shut it down. We should probably check all the fluids before we let this thing run. Okay, yeah, you can back up. It's a very tight parking spot to get out of. This thing sounds so sick. There she is, guys. 240SX. All right, now let's make it work. I think most of this bag is yours. You have a check engine light on or no? Do you want to check? Why don't we check? Because if we do, we could put a code scanner on it and see if any sensors are being weird. Lights on the dash, baby. Oh, she's not gonna do it. Let me grab the battery tender again. All right, let's see if she purrs. See if there's any lights on the dash. No, oh, no lights on the dash. So we were gonna put these guys on, but they already are on and tight. Everything in here looks pretty clean. Probably a very good motor. I really feel like overall, dude, the car is very clean. This dash, dude, is so mint. It's really insane, like how well this car was cared for. Everything is like perfect still.
Few moments later.
All right, guys, we are making some really good progress on Micah's car, and honestly, there wasn't a whole bunch to do, which was really cool. Everything kind of turned out pretty good. So valve cover, we just kind of replaced the gaskets. We don't have to touch anything on the inside, which is awesome. We're gonna replace the spark plugs and put the coil packs back in. It should be good to go. We have made some good progress. Micah now has better idling car. Spark plugs are in. I think that made a huge improvement to the way the car idles and just how it responds. Before it was idling around like 600 RPMs. Now it's like around 900 to 1,000. It doesn't like hiccup as much. I mean, it's way happier. We are gonna do like an oil change and stuff. I think we're gonna wait to do that at the track. So we'll wait till we get to the track tomorrow, change the oil, and yeah, do any other maintenance things. Overall, I think this is a great freaking car. Mike is currently replacing his steering wheel. He bought his new 6 steering wheel. That's pretty much it. I mean, this is, compared to our last trip, this is the most simple it could possibly be. But yeah, I think we're about to get out of here. We're gonna go grab dinner. We can't drive this thing until about 10 tonight to go drop it off at Ebisu. So yeah, that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow for a day at Ebisu. Peace.